Hey there, fellow streamers and content creators.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel that reviews the latest tech gear to help you up your game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam. A game changer for those of you looking to level up your streaming quality. This webcam is not your average camera. It's designed with one purpose in mind: to deliver professional quality video streaming on platforms like Twitch and YouTube. What sets the C922x apart? Well, it's all about that sweet video quality. This camera lets you stream and record in full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. Or go for super smooth 720p at 60 frames per second. With Logitech's premium autofocus, you're always in focus, no matter your lighting conditions. It's perfect for those intense gaming sessions in different setups. But streaming isn't just about video, it's about your voice too. The C922x features two built-in omnidirectional microphones with noise reduction technology. These mics pick up your voice from every angle, delivering crystal clear audio to your viewers. No more muffled or distant sounding streams. Ever wonder how some streamers put themselves right into the game? With personified background replacement technology, you can do it too, without the need for a green screen. Immerse your viewers by integrating your live image seamlessly with your stream. It's as easy as it sounds and adds a whole new dimension to your content. Starting out as a streamer can be tough, but Logitech's got your back. They include a free, 6-month XSplit license to help you fine-tune your streams.
With XSplit Broadcaster and Gamecaster, you can adjust sound levels, lighting, text overlays, music,
and graphics, all the tools you need for a pro-quality stream. Some text goes here, so what's the deal with compatibility? The C922x plays nice with Windows 7, 8, 10. Mac OS by 10.9 or later, Chrome OS, and Android version 5.0 and above. It's pretty much ready to roll out of the box with a USB port. In conclusion, the Logitech C922x Pro Stream Webcam is your trusted partner for streaming online. With high-quality video, crystal clear audio, background replacement, and that XSplit license, it's time to take your content creation to the next level. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, for more tech reviews and recommendations, stay tuned to Product Critique. Until next time, keep those streams rolling.